In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize SEO metadata for every page with Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through where to find the SEO settings for a page inside Gohighlevel and review the key sections you should check before publishing. This is an important part of on-page SEO because metadata helps search engines better understand your page and can also improve how your page appears in search results. Start by opening Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side navigation menu. This is where you'll access the main sections of your account. From there, click on Sites and then choose Funnels. Inside the Funnels area, select the page you want to optimize. This is important because SEO metadata is managed at the page level, so you'll want to repeat this process for each page you care about. After choosing the page, click Edit to open it in the page builder. Give the editor a moment to fully load before making any changes. If you try to click around too quickly, some settings may not appear right away, so it's worth waiting until everything is completely ready. Once the page builder is open, go to the top left area and click on Content. This section contains the page level settings related to SEO and metadata. From here, you'll move through each of the available tabs to review and optimize the page information. Click on Keywords. This is where you can define the keywords relevant to the page. Make sure the terms reflect the actual topic and intent of the content so the metadata stays aligned with what visitors and search engines will see. Next, click on Author. This lets you review the author information associated with the page. Then click on Images, where you can check image-related metadata and make sure the page includes the right visual information where applicable. After that, click on Links and Tags. This section is useful for reviewing page tags and other metadata-related elements that help organize and define the page. Then click on Language to confirm the correct language setting for the page. This can help search engines properly categorize the content for the right audience. Finally, click on Schema Markup. This is where you can manage structured data for the page. Schema helps search engines understand specific details about your content more clearly, which can support better visibility and, in some cases, enhance search result displays. That's the full process. To fully optimize your site, repeat these same checks for every important page in your funnel or website. Taking a few minutes to review these metadata settings page by page can make a real difference in how your content is understood and indexed.